What'd you get here?
Get on the other side, buddy. Get on the other side. I can't see from this side.
Oh.
You spin him around, I can't.
Yeah.
Spider-Man.
Did you get Spider-Man?
You can turn around so I can see.
Daddy wants to take pictures so Grandma can see.
Wow.
Oh.
Go Away Dog and Spider-Man.
Wow. Here, there's more. Let's see.
Look, the great mix.
Yeah. Here.
Wow.
This is Ian. Ian. Mm-hmm.
This cats. Cats, green mix.
Well, open up the present. Ian, open up.
Look.
This one's for you.
Look. Look, Mama.
Ian,
Yeah.
Ian, this one's for you, buddy.
It's from Grandma and Grandpa.
Ooh. That's a big one, huh?
Wow.
Wow.
What is that, buddy?
There's a tunnel to phone.
Is it Ian's phone?
Yes. This is a big toe.
It's kind of like, it looks like Ian's Kindle, maybe.
Yeah. Is that Ian's Kindle?
Yeah.
Ooh. Cool. Let's see. I think there's one more under here for Grandma and Grandpa. Here you go.
What? Purpose fights you. Santa Claus. Santa Claus, Christmas mentions.
Mm-hmm.
He's
Yay.
having a problem with that
My
ribbon.
toys.
Oh,
Oh.
tight. There you go.
Oh.
Look.
What is that?
It's the berries.
That's
Oh,
right.
Batteries. All right.
Yeah, it looks like a charger, too.
Oh, it goes for this.
So that way,
You
you,
get
yeah,
batteries.
that way you can charge it.
Oh, cool. Let's see.
That's nice.
You got more stuff here, buddy.
Help.
And you want to say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you, Grandpa. Grandpa.
There you go.
Oh. Oh, this is from to Ian from Santa.
Gotta open that one, buddy.
Open it.
You can do it.
Oh.
There you go. Oh. You had two of them that came out, see?
Ooh, bunnies. Engines.
Yeah.
Yeah, is that Thomas?
Does that go? This goes to this. Those are your games. Video
Ooh,
games,
look,
like when Nora and
it's
Emmy
Thomas.
plays.
Cars.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, this is yours too.
My sunglasses.
Mm-hmm.
This.
Oh, here's another.
Look.
Spider-Man PJs.
Ooh, pick one.
Look at that one right there.
This one's still from Grandma. Okay, Cooper.
Go ahead.
More batteries? Whoa!
Look at the batteries.
Yeah.
It's my batteries.
Is your batteries?
It's really neat. This is sorts. And pull right there.
What's this? That's Emmy's. It's Emmy's. Laura's.
Now we're getting to the end of his stuff.
Yeah.
And my Vincent.
Nora,
That's my Sam.
Emmy,
That's my
Nora.
Vincent.
Emmy.
My
Hold on.
Aaron.
Hold on, there's a big one over here. Move.
Big.
Here. Here's one, Ian. Oh no, that's not it. The one over there. The big one over there.
This one right here.
Yeah.
This is yep. Oh, Ian, come here. Look. Here's a big one for you to open, buddy.
Oh, this one's Ian's
Look, Mama.
too.
Look.
Ooh, big one.
It's a big box. It's big. Oh.
Here. There you go.
Oh, yes.
Here you go. Now.
Oh, what's that, buddy? Is that a desk?
Wow.
Look. Big box.
Yeah, that's a desk.
Colored box.
Yeah, so if you ever have to bring work home, you can do it.
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah.
You like it?
You like it? Well, good.
Here you go. Here's some more.
I got more. Oh. Oh.
He needs a hand with that ribbon, huh?
Mama. Mama.
There you go.
Oh.
He's learning to look for the seams now.
Yeah.
I think those ribbons are just a bit much for him, yeah.
Yeah. That's always a bit of pain.
Did he just walk off with something? Cooper.
Cooper. Yes. Get over here. That's not yours. You have toys. No.
Pippi eating the green bag.
Yeah, I know. We caught him.
Yeah, what you got there, buddy?
No, Cooper. I'll get you
Look.
some toys. More toys. What's that?
This is the cord.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's like at the barber shop.
Cool.
Yeah, cool.
I like it. I like cars.
Oh, here's another one.
Now, you got quite a haul this year, buddy.
Look! Look at the car.
Yeah, I know. We'll open up the other one. He's going to need help with that. Ian, open it up. Ian, no. Open that one.
Open this one.
The ribbon's making me. Oh, hey, you got it.
It's not yours, Cooper.
Look!
Oh, for his track.
Yeah. Cool. There's another one.
Stay on track. Our visitors must not be delayed.
I know there's some over there too.
Let's turn this off right
All aboard!
now. There we go.
Nice. It's
There you
my
go.
truck.
Yeah, that's your track. Open up that other one.
We got more. Now you're getting into it. What is that?
Is that your unsettling torch?
Look.
No. Maybe next year.
Yeah.
Now, what is that, buddy?
It's a car.
It's a case for cars.
Now you can put all your cars in there and carry it around. You can take it to Papa's.
Here's Papa's screen. Here.
There's more. I think there's some over there. Hold on. Some of those are your sisters.
He'll gladly open them for him.
I know he will.
Oh, look. It's my suit. It's my truck.
All these around here are the girls, but yeah, I didn't go way back into there.
Well,
There we go, buddy.
Ian,
Here's
look.
another one.
There's another one.
It's mine.
Yeah. And this one's yours too.
Oh. Papa, they're not yours.
Cooper.
No, they're not.
Here, Ian, go over there because you're too close here. Here, go over here.
stay on track. Our
Ian, go over there.
visitors must not be delayed.
Cooper. Ian, open the presents. Open the presents. Open the presents, buddy. He's getting overloaded here. He can't.
Yeah. That's the way it's supposed to be.
You gotta spend all day opening things and I'll get to play with them?
Yeah. Here we go.
Open it up. He's got a.
Here we go.
Go, open it, buddy. What is that?
New toy.
That's your guitar? That's Ian's guitar.
It's nice.
Yeah.
My new toy.
Yeah, that's your guitar.
You got a Kawasaki guitar.
Dad doesn't have a Kawasaki.
There's one. I think there's one more. I think it's the last one. Here. There you go.
Ian,
All aboard!
open that one. Open that one. It's your last one. Oh, now what you got there?
Look.
What is that?
I just took the engines.
The Thomas?
Yes.
Oh, and who's that?
That's a Dinkum.
Is that Cranky?
Yes. It's crinkly. Thomas right with the track.
Cool. I think the rest of these are more now.
Oh, look. It's close to the witch.
All right.
With engines. Look at the Thomas.
Yeah, there's more on the other side of the box.
Look at that. Look at the Thomas.
Yeah.
It's engine Thomas. And the train